visibility is very poor.
It really is, man. It's hard to see.
Yeah.
It's easier when you get in the city with more lights, but out here, it's just, there's nothing out here. How's it going?
I'm going to park in here in the alleyway.
Okay. I'll move.
Okay. Thank you. I'm sorry about that.
What's up, buddy? How are you?
Whew.
What's their deal?
Hardos.
Like, they got nothing better to do than... I guess they got to justify their paycheck. Are they security in this?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think they do. Sometimes they do meaningful stuff, and most of the time they just walk around to make other people feel safe.
Well, or just like...
Yeah.
It's like, all right, man.
That was some mall cop shit right
That
there.
really was.
Just casually walking down the street with a bucket of popcorn.
Getting rained on, too. That's pretty good. Huh.
That's college if I've ever seen it.
For real. Sums it up right there.
I drove for Uber for a while.
Oh, okay.
And I just stopped.
I hear you, man. I don't blame you. There's like some nights it's okay, and then other nights it's like, what am I doing out here? It's just not worth it.
Well, it was probably a year ago is when I stopped, and there was it was right when school started, so I guess a year and a half ago.
Okay.
And there was some 18-year-old kid dry heaving in my back seat, and I'm like, fuck this, I'm done.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that night that I got a Lyft an Uber from Hila's house, it was $29. The night that I left you and Savannah and Chloe, it was $29. No, the other day, luckily Ruben and Alan let me hang out at Toad because I literally live in the bottoms on the other side of the big bridge by the football stadium. Yeah. Literally live in that apartment complex. From Fat Toad to my apartment complex was $26.
Jesus Christ.
When the bars let out. Luckily, they let me hang out. When I finally caught my Uber, it was like $10 or $11. So it's still not great. Considering by the time I caught it, I could have walked home, but like I wasn't about to walk home by myself. But
oh yeah,
no, it was absolutely insane. And lifts were right around the same amount because everyone was trying to go out. It was Saturday night, so everyone was out. It was so expensive to get home.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Also, Donnie, warning. I walk by myself in the summer when it's nice outside.
It's really a nice time to drive. It's very peaceful, kind of. And I'm surprised there's this much traffic out here as there is right now. It's like, what is this person doing?
I wonder what this random guy in a truck is doing at
That's what I'm wondering.
2:30 on a Wednesday now.
Yeah.
Thursday now.
Yeah. What's he doing?
Curious.
Should we pull him over?
Could be anything from working a night shift from killing a hooker.
It's true.
The possibilities are really endless.
Yeah, they really are. No plates either.
Probably stolen.
Yeah. Always convenient when you are killing a hooker not to have license plates.
Yeah.
Now look.
Holy shit.
So what's up with that?
Yeah.
Something's going on.
Something's going on.
Okay. I guess that's how you do it, huh?
You know, I guess. I mean, at a certain point, if you've committed enough felonies to get yourself death penalty.
What's running a red light? I mean, certainly they're not going to charge you with that as well.
See, this is why you slept in today.
Yeah.
You can have adventures like this.
Yeah, exactly. It's always an adventure late at night, I guess. So.